that we will not be using any brushes in this. So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Safran, and in today's video we will be creating this pretty simple makeup look. This look is like for your college, if you're in office, or if you just want to like go shopping. This is like the perfect look to carry. I've used very affordable products to create this look, and the most important thing is that we will not be using any brushes in this. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Before that, if you do like my videos, then hit that subscribe button and do show some love to my channel and follow me on my Instagram, you guys. Thank you. So first we're using this Pond's moisturizer to apply it on my skin. You guys, I'm really sick and I have a bad throat, so please cooperate with my voice. So I applied the same moisturizer in the under eye area because under eyes should be hydrated. That's when your makeup is gonna look flawless. Now next I'm using this sunscreen from Minimalist. This is one of my favorite sunscreens, and if you feel this is slightly expensive, then I'll just put 2-3 options for the sunscreen which is pretty affordable and does the job in the description below. So I'm gonna apply the same and start massaging my face really well, like so. Okay, next I'm using the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfection Primer. You get this primer in different sizes, so you can pick the smallest size just to use and see how it works. Applying it on the areas where I have open pores. Next I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 50 Cafe. This concealer is very close to my skin tone and I'm applying that on the eyelids. Now once I'm done applying the concealer, I'm gonna start blending this with the help of my finger only. When you use your finger to blend out any sort of product, it applies in a better way because the product gets time to sit on the skin and melt down into the skin really well. Alright, so I'm just gonna pat this really well into my skin, and then we will start with the eye makeup. If you guys are enjoying my content, then do subscribe to my channel and show some love. Also suggest me the videos you guys exactly want to watch, so I'll take that into consideration. Now I'm using this Iba Cosmetics Kajal and applying it on the outer corner of my eye. If you notice, I'm applying this only in the outer edge. I'm not getting the Kajal completely into the inner corner area. And then I'm just blending this out. So I'm being very gentle on my eyelids when I'm doing this. So make sure you're being very gentle. Next I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side as well. Like you guys can see, I applied it only in the outer corner like this, and then I'll start blending this really well. This is so easy, guys. It will just literally take you like a minute to do. So yeah, next I'm gonna apply the same kajal in my waterline, and I'm applying it only like 1 or 2 strokes to give me just a little bit of like that kajal effect in the eye. Alright, next let's take a quick coffee break. Yeah, that's what I did. And then let's get back to work. I'm using this lash curler from Gup Cosmetics. Now I did curl my lashes because I wanted to add that extra volume, but if you want to skip it, you can definitely go ahead and skip it. You have to do the same what I'm doing on the video for at least good 30 seconds to get that extra volume. Once I'm done curling my lashes, I'm just gonna apply the same concealer on the areas where I have pigmentation and dark circles, like so yeah, once I start blending this out, I felt a little dry. That the only reason behind that is that I'm out of my concealer. So yeah, once you use a fresh concealer you won't be seeing that, but we will fix that anyway. So I'm taking a little extra time to blend, that's all. Applying that even on the mouth area and covering all the pigmentation possible. let's start blending this also. Once I'm done with that, I'll take the Maybelline Fit Me compact powder, and then I'm using this puff. I'll start setting my face. Okay, I'm just gonna come out straight that maybe I did a little cheating here. You guys know you get a small puff inside every Maybelline compact, right? I lost that, so I kinda took my translucent powder cup puff, and then I just use that to set my entire face. That's how you see a little white cast here and there on my face. Now next I'm going to use this lip balm from My Glam. For lips, I didn't go with any sort of lipstick because this lip balm has a beautiful pink tint in it, so I just applied the lip balm only. Next, I'm gonna just apply a good amount of mascara. So for mascara, I'll show you a hack actually. Just keep watching, you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna apply mascara. At least 2 to 3 coats of mascara will give you that beautiful volume. Okay, let's do quickly on the other side of the eye, but before that I just want to show you guys the difference of how this mascara works. It's not like one of those mascara which will give you like a lot of volume, but it does, uplift your lashes and does the job. Can you guys see the difference? Yeah, so let's do the same on the other side of my eye. Now here, when I was applying it, I accidentally just applied the mascara even in the inner corner of my eye. Don't worry, we will fix it. You shouldn't just panic, that's all. So how I will be taking it off is I'll let that mascara dry on my skin for at least 5 minutes. Taking a spoolie, I'm just gonna remove the mascara like this. That's all. That's how simple it is, you guys. That's it, you guys. So this is the final look. Do let me know how you liked it. Oh yeah, I actually used a lipstick which is like a orange color lipstick as a little bit of blush, which I have not recorded here. So yeah, you guys can also do the same.